Welcome! Today we compare more versus less. Both display files page by page, but one is much more powerful. Let's see. Let's learn the more command for viewing files page by page. First, let's create a sample file with many lines. Generating a file with 50 numbered lines using seek. Now adding some text to each line using xargs. Let's check how many lines the file has. 50 lines. Perfect. Let's see the first few lines. Now viewing the file with more. Watch the screen fill with content. Press space to scroll to the next page. Keep pressing space to continue scrolling forward. Here's the limitation. With more, you cannot scroll back up. Press Q to quit. Remember the keyboard shortcuts. Space for next page, enter for next line, Q to quit. Remember, more is simple but can only go forward. Now let's learn less. It's actually more powerful than more. Creating the same sample file to demonstrate. Opening the file with less. Watch the magic. Pressing space to scroll down, just like more. Now here's the key difference. Pressing K to scroll up. See? We can go back. This is what more cannot do. Another great feature. Press / to search for text. I searched for line 25. Press N to find the next match. Press Q to quit. Less has so many more features. Use space or J to scroll down, K to scroll up. Use / to search, N for next match, G and G for... Fun fact, less is named after the phrase, less is more. Let's compare more and less, side by side. Here's a feature comparison table. Look at the differences. Scroll forward. Both can do it. Scroll backward. Only less. Search text and show position. Only less has these features. As you can see, less has more features than more. Let's see a practical example with a system log file. With less, we can jump to the end with capital G. And jump back to the beginning with lowercase g. So powerful. We can even search for error to find issues quickly. When to use each. Use more for quick forward scrolling. Use less when you need to navigate freely or search. Pro tip: most developers prefer less for its extra power. Remember, more equals forward only, less equals full navigation. Great job! Remember, more is simple but forward only. Less gives you full navigation. See you next time!